Hello my friends, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel Creativity by CAD. In today's video, I will show you how to make 3D mechanical object in very interesting manner. So please let's start and see how we can make a 3D mechanical object. In my screen you can see this is a mechanical object in 3D. So same we have to make in our as our object. So I'm going to draw a line of 40 units and then I'm going to draw a circle of radius 20 units. Now I am going to move this circle here. Again I am going to draw a circle of radius 10 units. Now I'm this line I'm going to take a mirror with this center and trim this circle part and again join these two lines. Take offset of 20 units with this line and now I'm going to use isometric view. For isometric view I am going to choose southeast isometric view. See, this is now in isometric view. Now here we have to change some we have to do some modification in drawing, so let's do that. I am going to draw a rectangle through this point to this point and join these lines, all this line, join this. Now next one I am going to make Pressful command using through, and with this 3D tool command here you can see Pressful. I'm just doing this. I'm going to use 20 units, and for this I'm going to use 10 units. So this comes to be little mechanical objects. So let's again use UCS command for this face. We have to work on this face, so type UCS and use face. So you have to choose this face. Now enter. Once you enter, then again draw a circle of radius 20 units. Move this circle in this position. Again draw a circle with same center. Here you can see center of radius 10 units. Now I'm going to use Pressful command. So Pressful command, this is click here and I'm going to Pressful for 10 units, and again but before that one thing we need to do, that is first we need to Pressful this and then second one this. So let's do that. First one, this one, Pressful command, use here, this is up to 20 units, and then this one for 10 minutes. Now again union these two objects, first one and second one, and subtract from this to this, and you will get subtract from this object to this object. So you can easily see how this objects looking as our requirement. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching Creativity by CAD, and please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and as well as write your comment on comment box. Thank you.